Boston, he's the man who never returned. Charlie handed in his dime at the Kendall Square station and he changed for Jamaica Plain. When he got there, the conductor told him one more nickel. Charlie couldn't get off of that train. We'd like to thank Boston for that concept. When you get back to Williams, they'll charge you to get off the train. By then, you'll be really happy you paid. Charlie's wife goes down to the Scully Square station every day at 2:15. And through the open window she had Charlie a sandwich. The train goes rumbling through. I wonder why she wouldn't give him a nickel. She did not want him home. Now you citizens of Boston, don't you think it's a scandal that people have to pay and pay? Fight the fare increase, vote for George O'Brien and get Charlie on the MTA. I'd like to point out George O'Brien lost the election. Charlie's still there, riding around amidst a pile of rotting sandwiches. Did he ever return? No, he never returned. His fate is still unlearned. He may ride forever beneath the streets of Boston. He's the man who never returned. He's the man who never returned. Hey, to Charlie.
That's awesome. Thank you.
Thank you guys. Boston, Boston from Boston too? Oh, that's too bad. What a wonderful place.
Do you have any for the Carolinas?
Oh, I do. Which one, north or south?
North.
Oh, that's the good one.
I live there right now, so.
You live in North Carolina? I lived in Nashville, Tennessee for a long time. When you live in Nashville, you just want out. So you go hang out in North Carolina. Or you could go hang out in Georgia. And this is they built this in Cherokee, North Carolina in the 70s. There was no casino yet. They ruined that place and they put a casino in. It was so much fun we could drink moonshine in the park. for free if you played a song. And this is Doc Watson. He's a native North Carolinian from Deep Gap, North Carolina, and in North Carolina, a legend. He traveled around the world representing the United States behind the Iron Curtain and everything with all those Louis Armstrong guys and stuff. And he was a top-notch Appalachian Mountain guitar player and banjo player. This is called Doc's guitar, and it's hard to play it sober, but I'll try. And they pay you. They pay you to have fun.
Yeah.
Don't tell them. I do it for nothing. More moonshine, go faster too. I didn't have any. Thank you guys. Nice to be with us on the Grand Canyon Runway. I have to leave because the doctor keeps looking at me.
Put your Indian right over the train. There he is, right over there.
So here's a song that was written by Gordon Lightfoot in Orillia, Ontario.
Got red kid right over there. Right over there, 35 miles east.
I could see the light fast in the sun great. We don't know where you take what's your down here. Sundown, you better take care. If I find you been creeping round my back stairs. Sundown, you better take care. If I find you been creeping round my back stairs. She's been looking like a sweetie to say the degree. She don't always say what you really mean. Sometimes I think it's a sin. I feel like baby satin jeans, the heart of another woman that could feel in me. Sometimes I think it's a sin and I feel like winning. Is that hockey? You gotta freeze the floor first, man. Sundown, you better take care if I find you've been creeping round my back stairs. Sundown, you better take care if I find you've been creeping round my back stairs. Thank you. Nice you did. Thank you very much. Boss will come in and shoot that down.